Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can solve the issue that your phone application is not showing you the missed calls. So there are a number of reasons due to which this could have happening, and the first reason which might be happening is that there is some network outrage or it is due to the network connections. So in order to solve this particular issue, what you can try to do is enable and disable the flight mode. So to enable the flight mode, simply swipe down from the top of your phone and hit the airplane mode option. Then once the airplane mode is on, wait for 10 seconds and then disable it again, and it will recapture the signal of your mobile services, and this might hopefully solve. If you think that the issue is not with the network but the application itself, then what you can try to do is simply hold on to this application and click on app info. Then from here go to the storage usage, and from here simply click on the clear cache option. Then go back and also click onto the force stop button. Then click again for to the force stop, and what this function will do is that it will end all the processes that the phone application is using. Then try to open the application again, and hopefully it would have worked for you. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.